Khalifa Party Pack, Vibe and Chill, How to Play. There are two ways to play. The first is Vibe. The object of this cooperative game is to earn more points than the game. The oldest player goes first and is called the Vibe Ranker. The Vibe Ranker takes a set of Vibe rank cards while the other set is placed on the table. Shuffle the Vibe topic cards, then flip over the top 5, face up, in a row on the table, reading them aloud as they are flipped. If the Vibe Ranker does not know what one of the cards means, then that card is discarded and replaced with a new face-up card. Once finished, the Vibe Ranker now decides how they would rank each card in priority, with 1 being the highest priority and 5 being the lowest, by placing one of their Vibe rank cards face down below each topic. The Vibe Ranker may not place down cards in an obvious order or in any way that the other players know which topic has which rank. All the other players must remain silent until the Vibe Ranker finishes ranking the topics. Once the Vibe Ranker says they are finished, they may no longer rearrange cards. Now, all the other players discuss and work together to place the other Vibe rank cards face up above the topic cards so as to match what order they think the Vibe Ranker picked. Once finished, the Vibe Ranker then reveals their cards, and for each correct match, where both the Vibe Ranker and the group picked the same number for the Vibe topic, the group of players score 1 point. For every incorrect match, the game scores 1 point. Record the scores on a scorepad. Discard the Vibe topic cards, and the roll of Vibe Ranker rotates clockwise by 1 and play another round. Repeat this process until every player has been the Vibe Ranker once, then the game ends. If the group's score is equal to or greater than the game, then you all win. If not, then you all lose. You can also play against each other. In this 2-player mode, each player is the Vibe Ranker 3 times. The guesser scores 1 point for each correct guess. The player with the most points at the end wins. If it is a tie, then keep playing until there is a winner. The second way to play is called Chill. The object of the game is to be the first player to get rid of all the cards in your hand by asking people questions you think they will respond yes to. Shuffle the Chill cards and deal 5 to each player. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, pick one of your Chill cards to ask another player, to which they may only answer yes or no. If they answer yes, then you discard the card and your turn ends. If they answer no, then you discard the card and draw a new one from the Chill deck, then your turn ends. On your turn, instead of asking a question, you may instead discard any number of your Chill cards to draw replacements from the deck. Then your turn ends. The first player to get rid of all their cards wins.